Good morning, welcome back to the Perkins Garages YouTube channel. Variety is the spice of life, and variety is what we're giving you here at Perkins. So this is a different powertrain to the ones I've just uploaded. So this is a 2-litre TDCI Ford KUGA VIGNALE. This produces 180 PS of power through a 6-speed manual gearbox. This is Euro 6.2 compliant, and it is in magnetic grey, and it's very late mileage at only 8,000. So if you don't mind, I'll take you through all the specification to be found on this KUGA VIGNALE. So the first point to note is your LED headlights with, just at the bottom here, hold on, there we go, and we've got your daytime runners there as well. Don't worry, they're not flickering, it's just the frequency of the video. Just below that is where you'll find your front fog light, and just below that, even still, is where you'll find your first front parking sensor, which trail around the front grille there, the front lip of the bumper, and just down there is a little radar for the driver assistance back, but we'll cover that in a little while. So we have a lovely 12 spoke chrome alloy wheels there. So they're on the 19-inch alloy wheels with some really nice Continental tyres all the way around. Again, I said it's late low mileage, so you can still see the lines on the tyres there. So fantastic tread, and you don't have to worry about that for a while. Very nice VIGNALE badging. As we're coming round, you can see another bit of specification in the driver door there. So this is your keyless entry system. So tap on that indent there, it's going to lock the vehicle. If I can try and get you all in the shot there, and a little grab behind the handle is going to lock the vehicle. So providing you've got the key in close proximity, that is going to work wonders. Coming around the vehicle now, you can see your rear privacy glass and silver roof rails there. And I'll just try, as the sun is trying to peer through the clouds, let's get you a little view of the bodywork there. It's gorgeous. And again, a nice large 19-inch silver sparkle, I believe they call that, silver sparkle. Rear parking sensors trail around the rear bumper, and that is complemented with a rear parking camera as well, just below the Ford badge. So we're going to just move round to the near side of the vehicle, so the curb side now, and I'll show you a bit of the bodywork there as well. Once again, keyless entry does feature on both driver's door, both passenger and driver door handles as well. Bodywork there, and the way down. Okay, so this KUGA has a power tailgate, so click the button there, stand clear, and that's going to open up like so. So a really large volume boot here. So you can see we also have a space saver spare just underneath the boot mat there. Another feature on this vehicle is a retractable tow bar. So this is a factory fitted option, so 2 clicks of that, watch my shins, like so. It pops down and locks into position like so. So you might have heard the little alarms there. We have your electrics just attached there in a really neat and tidy configuration. So if you do tow, this could be a perfect option for you. Quite simple, double click on that, that's going to unlock it again, and quite simply just push it up to the bottom. It's completely out of view there, so you can't even see that. It's a really flush little system. In the rear here also we have a nice little tornado cover that pulls over, snap at the back there, and it disappears. So that's a bit inside the rear. I have a button here just to close up the tailgate as well. As we're making our way around the vehicle, fuel filler is to the right hand side. Obviously a diesel 2-litre engine in the TDCI. I love the VIGNALE interior. So you've got the nice leather with the white stitching, whitish stitching all the way around. Really does look like you've got a little white leather there as well. Okay, so now we're in the rear of the vehicle. We have 2 ISO fixing points, one on the near side rear and one on the offside rear as well. Nice little convenient cup holder in the middle there. These seats do fold nice and flat as well. Seatbelt stuck and the headrest stuck there. Okay, so only because I've got one hand, just imagine that to be on the floor, ladies and gents. If I had another hand, I'd put that down for you. Okay, what else do we have? Rear air conditioning vents and a 12-volt socket there for the convenience of the rear passengers. Also some lovely little tables to, I don't know, have your dinner on. There you go, maybe a walking restaurant, or a driving restaurant even. Privacy glass, can't see in there, really is lovely. Okay, so we're going to open up the driver's door now. Again, the VIGNALE interior continues, white trim there. 4 electric windows, electric mirrors, and we also have the 3-way memory function for the seating as well. So now I'm on that subject, I pan around down here, and we have your electronically adjustable driver's seat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got lumbar as well. So really is fantastically elegant seating, and you can see the definition of the leather there. So really good condition leather still. Yeah, so wonderful. Okay, let me just pop myself inside the vehicle now. Make sure I'm not sitting on the key. Twist it. Okay. So to complement the keyless entry system, we have a keyless go button there as well. So foot on the clutch for this one, and 1 tap there, and that's going to give us some power. Let me just ensure the air conditioning is turned down and the radio is turned down, otherwise you won't be able to hear me. Okay, so let's begin by looking at the driver display here. So quite conventional RPM gauge to the left hand side. We've got your miles per hour, speedo to the right hand side. A fuel gauge and coolant temperature is found at the bottom there. We have a little digital display in the middle, so that features 2 trip computers and is navigated through the buttons on the left hand side of the steering wheel. So coming out of there, you can go into different trip computers, different bits of information like so, the my key, system checks, seat belts, and it's the intelligent all-wheel drive. So I forgot to mention at the start actually, this is an all-wheel drive vehicle, so you know, if you do tow and do want maximum stability, this is a fantastic powertrain for you. So let's come out there, let's have a look into some settings. As I said earlier, driver assistance pack, or driver assistance features even. So we do have some, such as traction control, hill start assist, and a tyre monitor there as well. So store your tyre pressures in there. Coming out of there, as you can see, it's a nice screen to have. You can set it to anything you like. Again, let's just leave it on a trip computer. You can get your digital speedo. People love the digital speedo. Okay, so that's a bit about the driver display. If I just pan back now, you can see the steering wheel. Cruise control functions are just found just here. So you can set your speed nice and easy, cancel, resume. You've got your limiter there also. So it's all nice and user friendly when you're driving along. We have some media controls on the right hand side. So that links up like magic to your Sync 3 module. So I'll just get rid of that. So this is Sync 3. Now we've just got the whitish screen slide at the bottom, so it's Sync 3, audio, phone, navigation, mobile apps, etc. So that it's compatible with Apple CarPlay. So using a data cable, plug your phone in and take full access of all the software on your mobile, such as different navigation, music, podcast, books, anything you like to do on your phone can be related onto the screen. So it makes it a nice hands-free system. I like using Siri, so you can click on the voice command button, activate Siri, never have to touch your phone again whilst you're driving. This has this Sony premium audio system, so that features a CD player. Get your album out and you can have your party. Bring back the CDs, I say. So you've got a CD player on board, so no burning it onto USB sticks. Dual zone air conditioning, so you can set both sides of the cabin to individual temperatures. Ideal if you have a really cold passenger, such as my girlfriend. This is a lovely feature in my Focus. We can make her nice and toasty whilst keeping the driver nice and cool. That's the winter pack on this vehicle. The winter pack is heated front seats here and here, heated steering wheel, and we also have the electronically heated front screen as well. We have a button here to control the tailgate, so you can open it from inside the vehicle, and this is for your automated parking. So click on that, it's the self park assist, so you can the vehicle quite literally will park for you. So choose the parking indicator using the front and rear parking sensors. Yeah, it'll park for you. Very clever bit of tech, that, very clever. So if that's a bit of spec you're after, it has it on it. Okay, so I think I've covered about everything. A 6-speed manual gearbox, electronic handbrake, There's tons of specification, so if there's anything you're not sure on, please do give us a call on 01376 550 899, and one of the salesmen would be delighted to speak to you. Speak with you soon. Bye bye.